If your internet connection sucks, the FCC wants to know about it. This is definitely a welcome change besides the usual sticking the head in the sand approach and just listening to the companies as far as what they've deployed. I'm going to post all the information on how to report to the FCC down in the comments. They just want a few short sentences on some of the problems you've been having. The only problem is, as somebody that goes into houses and helps diagnose network problems, a lot of times things can be significantly improved inside the home with a few simple changes. Usually we're only there for an hour or two, and it makes a world of difference. If you suspect this might be the case at your house, please give us a call. I'd like to help everybody out as much as I can, and I'd like to get internet we can count on to the areas that need it the most. I really want these maps to be as accurate as possible. We do offer a free consultation and be happy to tell you, in our opinions, if it is actually something that needs to be taken care of outside or if it's something that could likely be a problem inside. That way we can ensure the people who need the reliable coverage the most, who don't have anything now, can get covered. So I'll post the link for the FCC. I'm going to post every way to get a hold of us. Please give us a call. Thank you, everybody. Stay safe. Have a great day.